大家好，我係老 Sir。今日咧，我會講 Form 1 Chapter 0.3 B part。Expanding and reducing a fraction 擴分或者約分。In expanding a fraction 喺擴分嘅時候 ，we multiply both its numerator and denominator by the same number。我哋將分子分母都乘以同一個數字 ，which is usually a whole number greater than 1。通常都係一個整數大過1嘅整數。After expanding a fraction 喺擴分之後 ，the value of the fraction is unchanged。即係話咧，嗰個價值嘅分數咧就係冇變嘅。For example， 2/3都係2乘4除以3乘4，都係8/12，價值一樣。又或者7/4分子分母同時乘12，7乘12都係84，4乘12都係48。咁7/4咧就都係84/48嘅。In reducing a fraction 喺約分嘅時候 ，we divide both its numerator and denominator by their common factor other than 1。即係咧，我哋喺約分嘅時候咧，我哋就分子分母同時除一個公共嘅因子，嗰啲唔係1嚟嘅。OK，after reducing a fraction 喺約分之後 ，the value of the fraction is unchanged。即係咧喺約分之後咧，嗰個分數嘅價值係冇變嘅。For example 例子，6/8等於分子6除2，分母8除2都係3/4，價值一樣，即係6/8都係3/4。又或者42/98，咁分子42除2，98又除2就會變成21/49。咁21除7就都係3，49除7亦都係7。咁42/98咧就等於3/7嘅。跟住你又會問啦，喂阿 Sir， 你又知佢哋係除得盡意？因為咧你唔好唔記得，如果尾巴嘅數字係02468咧，係有雙數嘅倍數喺裡面嘅，即係其實佢係有2嘅倍數喺裡面嘅。OK， 然之後我哋背咗九因歌，7乘3係21，7乘7係49，所以係除得盡7嘅，分子分母都除得盡7嘅。If a fraction cannot be further reduced, we say that is the simplest form。如果一個分數不能夠再被約簡嘅話咧，咁嗰個分數咧，我哋會叫佢做最簡狀態。例如3/4同埋3/7就係佢哋嘅最簡狀態 simplest form 啦。